We have a set A with the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. We need to find pairs of numbers from this set that follow special rules. A relation is just a list of pairs. Each pair has two numbers, x and y, and both must come from our set A. The domain is all the first numbers and the range is all the second numbers. In part 1, the rule says y must be the same as x, so we need pairs where both numbers are the same. Let's try each number. When x is 1, y is also 1. When x is 2, y is also 2. Same for 3 and 4. Every number gets paired with itself. Here is our answer for part 1. The first numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. That is our domain. The second numbers are also 1, 2, 3, 4. That is our range. In part 2, the rule says when we add x and v together, we must get 5. Let's find which pairs add up to 5. When x is 1, y must be 4 because 1 plus 4 is 5. When x is 2, y must be 3 because 2 plus 3 is 5. When x is 3, y is 2. When x is 4, y is 1. All these y values are in our set I, so all 4 pairs work. Here is our answer for part 2. Again, every number in A shows up as both a first number and a second number, so the domain and range are both the full set A. Now, in part 3, x plus y must be less than 5. That means the two numbers added together must give something smaller than 5. When x is 1, let's try every y. 1 plus 1 is 2, that's less than 5, good. 1 plus 2 is 3, good. 1 plus 3 is 4, good. But 1 plus 4 is 5, and we need less than 5, so that one does not work. When x is 2, only y equal to 1 and y equal to 2 work because 2 plus 3 is already 5. When x is 3, only y equal to 1 works because 3 plus 2 is already 5. When x is 4, even 4 plus 1 gives 5, which is not less than 5. So x equal to 4 gives us no pairs at all. Here is the answer for part 3. The first numbers we used are 1, 2, and 3. So the domain is 1, 2, 3. The second numbers are also 1, 2, and 3. So the range is 1, 2, 3. Notice that 4 is not in the domain or range. In the last part, x plus y must be greater than 5. That means the two numbers added together must give something bigger than 5. When x is 1, even 1 plus 4 is only 5, which is not greater than 5. So no pairs for x equal to 1. When x is 2, only y equal to 4 works because 2 plus 4 is 6. When x is 3, y can be 3 or 4 because both sums are bigger than 5. When x is 4, y can be 2, 3 or 4. The bigger x is, the more pairs we get. Here is the answer for part 4. The first numbers are 2, 3 and 4. So the domain is 2, 3, 4. The second numbers are also 2, 3 and 4. So the range is 2, 3, 4. Notice that 1 is not in the domain or range this time. Great job! Here is a nice table showing all 4 answers together. Notice that parts 1 and 2 use the full set, part 3 leaves out 4 and part 4 leaves out 1. You did amazing work.